Crash gets even more appalling.
Then what happened?
He took off like a madman and hit my vehicle again and just kept going.
Then his credibility takes another hit.
How many police officers stopped you?
None.
After seeing the cops' dash cam video.
So that's the police following you, sir. You don't think that this is a stop? What's wrong with you?
Judge Judy.
You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheindlin. This is Judge Judy.
Julie Muckerson is suing fellow motorist Antonio Perez for causing an accident due to road rage and then fleeing the scene. Antonio is countersuing for the damages to his vehicle.
Order. All rise. This is case number 11 on the calendar in the matter of Muckerson versus Perez.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Parties have been sworn in. You may be seated.
Miss Muckerson, on what date did this automobile accident happen?
On the 23rd of December, 2017.
At what time?
It was around 9 o'clock.
In the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you going?
To work.
Where do you work?
J.C. Penney's.
And where were you going, Mr. Perez?
I was also going to work.
Where?
In the same retail shopping center she does.
Had you ever seen her before?
No, ma'am.
What kind of car were you driving, Miss Muckerson?
I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee.
What year?
2009.
And you, sir?
2016 Dodge Journey.
And on the 23rd of December, was your car insured?
Yes, it was, Your Honor.
And Mr. Perez, on the 23rd of December, was your car insured?
Yes, ma'am.
Each of you claim an automobile incident was the fault of the other. You were both traveling in the same direction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you go over to the chart? And your car is the orange car?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay, so explain to me what happened.
We were on the freeway, Your Honor, and I noticed that he was tailgating me when we got onto this road.
And you were traveling in the left lane?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it a two-lane?
Yes, Your Honor. It goes, there's two lanes. This lane here goes straight to a light, and then this lane here will veer off to a different direction.
Are there cars coming in the opposite direction? The answer is no. So you are traveling in the left lane.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which is the pass lane.
It's a frontage road, Your Honor, so it's not really a pass lane.
Well,
yeah.
It's the fast lane. Everybody knows if you travel in the left lane, it's usually
yes, Your Honor.
Going faster than the cars traveling in the right lane or far over to the right.
Yes,
That be a fair statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you were traveling in the left lane.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he was close by behind you.
Yes, Your Honor. Very close.
Go ahead.
We got to this point right here, Your Honor, after he was tailgating me, and all of a sudden he slammed directly into my truck. He came off of this turnaround road right here.
No, I'm not. You miss. Right now he's tailgating you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then he moves into the other lane.
The turnaround lane. Yes, Your Honor.
The turnaround lane. You mean the turnaround lane where you make a left turn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Left turn off the freeway.
Yes, Your Honor.
So he went into the left lane. Then he tried to get back into in front of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he hit your car where?
Right on my driver's side, Your Honor.
And then what happened?
After that, Your Honor, we both rolled down our windows. I thought he was going to ask me if I was okay. He didn't do anything like that. I told him, stay there. I'm going to call 911. And he said, no, I'll meet you in the parking area.
Parking area?
That's all he said, Your Honor. And the area we were going to is a huge shopping area.
What do you mean you were going to?
Where I work and where he works, Your Honor.
Show me. You didn't know him from before, so how did you know where he was working?
No, he told me he was going to meet me in a parking area, but he didn't tell me what parking area. And before I got a chance to ask him what parking area, he took off like a madman and hit my vehicle again on the front panel of my truck and just kept going.
Front driver's side?
Yes.
So both times your car was hit on the driver's side of your car?
Yes, Your Honor.
By what part of his car?
His right corner of his car.
Do you have pictures of your car?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.